First-hand experience is more life-changing than a lecture. This statement relates to a question I just received from Dave, another Dave, who's in Chicago.
Hey there, Dave. It's Dave here from Chicago. Thank you so much for your lynda.com courses because they help me overcome my own chaos master kind of tendencies, especially gathering points and inbox zero. They really help me hone in and make more time throughout the day. But my new manager happens to be a complete chaos master, and I can't seem to find the time in the day to help inspire him to kind of see the light. Do you have any recommendations for somebody to help get them started? Thanks.
This is a common question. Now, if you're not familiar with time management fundamentals, you can get access to that at davecrenshaw.com/time. That's my time management course that's designed to help anyone get in control of their time. And I get this question from a lot of people because so many, like Dave, have chaos with their time management in their organization. And then this gives them a feeling of relief, which is wonderful until you realize that you're working with human beings, coworkers, a boss, who they are not in control of their time. So what do you do in a situation like that? Well, you want to try to give them firsthand experience. That's what my Myth of Multitasking exercise is designed for. And you can get access to that at davecrenshaw.com/exercise. That won't cost you a thing. It's free on my website. And it's about 5 minutes. And it's something that you can do in a meeting. You know, you can go to your boss, your coworkers, your manager, and say, I just came across this really cool exercise. It'll take us 5 minutes, and it completely changed my perspective, and it's helped me be more productive. Now, few people are going to say no to that. If they say no to that, then we've got a different issue altogether. But most people are going to be like, hey, cool, share that. And then you do the exercise, and it will open people's eyes. It's why I use that exercise in every speech that I give about time management. That's number one. Number two, you don't want to go into someone's office and say, well, you'd be more organized if you brought your inbox to zero every week. No one wants to hear a lecture like that. But what you could say in an appropriate moment, you look for the right moment and you say, can I just share something with you that completely changed my life? And you make it about you. And you say, I was so disorganized. I was all over the place. And then I went through this guy's training program, and he told me some crazy things like, putting stuff into boxes and having a scheduled time every week where I go through and I bring my inbox. It changed my world. It was so cool. And then you just leave it at that. Maybe you just share one principle that you learned, and you don't make it about them. You make it about you. And what that does is it gives the other person the opportunity. It's not going to guarantee that they're going to change their behavior, but it gives them the opportunity to listen to the story and internalize the behavior. The story is more powerful than a lecture, and even more powerful than the story is the firsthand experience. So get that experience at davecrenshaw.com/exercise. That's the Myth of Multitasking exercise. And if you want to go through the full course, you can get it at davecrenshaw.com/time. If you're not already a LinkedIn Learning member, it'll give you 30 days free access. Hope that helps.